Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the A1-44 Magnum Pick Gun is what this is. This is a tool that is going to be used by industry professionals, namely locksmiths, for assisting them in getting a door open, or a lock set unlocked, I should say. You'll have a lock on your bench that you need to make a key for, and quite frankly, it's just easier to pick it open than to try to impress a key from scratch. So being able to pick it open with a pick gun like this is a very common sort of way of doing that. Client comes into your shop, here's a lock, I need a key for it. There you go. This is a possible tool to use. This is shown without the inserted picks themselves. Okay, this is going to give you a couple of straight picks and then an offset pick. The offset pick would be used in a situation where you might have something in front of the lock that prevents you from inserting this straight into the lock. When you use the offset pick, as shown here, okay, that will allow you to take the tool and tilt it up this way. You've got the two straight picks, and this other item that you see down here naturally is the tension rod. The operation of this pick is well, best in the hands of someone who has the skill of doing this sort of work. But the basic overall operation of it is that you have one of the picks installed, and it's shown not installed. You just loosen this screw, you're able to slide the pick in, then tighten your screw up. This knurled brass knob that you see over here is just a tension setting. Okay. That fixes how much tension is actually on the unit itself. Always started out with it rotated at the minimum amount of tension. Okay, and you can definitely tell that when you're rotating it, that you're definitely increasing the tension on the unit. Okay, so you started at its minimum, and what happens? You can see how it cocks down in place and then snaps up. When you have the tension rod inserted and you are rotating it lightly in the direction that the lock will unlock, typically clockwise, that pick shocks the bottom pins, and you must locate the pick completely and squarely underneath the bottom pins so that you raise them all at one time. The tension on the tension rod in the face of the cylinder makes the cylinder plug want to rotate. What will happen is the bottom pins will push the master or driver pins up, and then they will get locked at the shear line because there's a small amount of back rotation as the pins force up, but because you're putting pressure on it, those bottom pins aren't going to move beyond that shear line. That's the concept. So set it at the lightest tension, fire it. If it doesn't work in the first 5 times, make sure that you have to be straight with the pins. The pick must be making complete contact. Increase the tension via your knurled knob here, okay, to increase that tension. Okay. There is a link below this video to the installation, well, not installation instructions, just the operating instructions that will allow you to review those steps. Now, A1 is a comprehensive manufacturer of all things locksmithing related, and by all means refer to their catalog link, which is below this video on the manufacturer page. Any questions on the A1-44 Magnum Pick Gun or any other A1 product, please feel free to reach out to us.